SOS, she's in the skies. SOS, she's in the skies. Coming out, coming out, coming out. Domesticate the girl, that's all you ask of me. Darling, it is no joke. This is the country. The moon's awake now with eyes wide open. My body's craving, so feed the hungry. Been devoted myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Now getting enough with revision or decent sentence to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused, like coffee machine in office. I'm gonna go somewhere cause let me get me a lover and tell you all about it. There's a she-wolf in the closet. Open, open, set it free. Ow! There's a she-wolf in the closet. Let it out so it can breathe. Standing close, I was staring right at the play. It's going well so fast, she's gonna get away. Nocturnal creatures are not so prudent. The moon's my teacher, and I'm her student. Do click a disclaimer, I got on me a special later. And if I had department outline 8 in case I get trouble later. Not looking for cute little revos of which you guys just want to enjoy. But having a very good time, very bad in the arms of a boy. There's a she-wolf in the closet. Open up and set it free. Ooh. There's a she-wolf in the closet. Let it out so it can breathe. So as she's in the skies, as soon as she's in the skies, there's a she-wolf in the skies, coming out, coming out, coming out. She's in the skies, as soon as she's in the skies, coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out. The she-wolf in my closet, but all we can breathe.